This question is just asking if you understand the basic equation of a circle. So the general formula is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So hk is the center and r is the radius. So in this case, we have to make sure we don't fall for certain traps. There are certain things that come up again and again on circles that try to trick us. The number one thing is with the center, we've got to be careful because the negatives are built into the original equation. So when we find our center, it's going to kind of flip on us. So even though it says -4 in the equation, the center is going to have a +4. So that gets rid of those two choices, a +4 as the x coordinate, and then +1 for the y is actually a -1 for the center. So the negative is built in to the equation, and so it's going to reverse things a little bit when we start to work with it, but that's very similar to other things we see in math, right? That's the same as how like parabolas work when we try to factor and find the x-intercepts. Very similar idea. The other problem is that even though the x minus h and the y minus k parts are squared, they are going to be obviously squared. This square you can see is right there. But the radius is also squared. However, that square is going to disappear because it's a number. So it'll just kind of work itself out. And so in this case, it looks like the radius could be 9. That's what most people remember. But in fact, it's 3, right? We have to take the square root of this number in order to actually get it. So there you go. That's how you read a circle equation. Most of the time when you're asked about circles on the SAT, it's literally just about knowing this equation. So memorize it, and these are hard ones that you can totally get right.